Hey, best friends. Hey. Oh my goodness, best friend, a long time coming. I know, y'all. I've been working on a couple of things, trying to get everything situated. I know I have been missing in actions, best friends. But I came to you guys with a banger. Oh my goodness. So I got rib tips here. And I have, oh, my favorite oxtails with gravy. You guys, I said hold the sides because I don't need no sides. But I'm going to tell you everything that's been happening. Okay, well, that's going to be changing pretty soon, okay? You guys, let's get in order here, okay? So, you guys, I'm changing up Best Friend Eats. I'm only gonna come on here when, you know, I just want to chit chat with y'all and eat, like, you know, like this, just talk. But I'm changing some of the content up. I'm gonna be doing like I probably ain't gonna be eating this in a while, you know. So I'm going to be like cleansing my bodies with liquids. I'm gonna do it for a month or whatever, see how that works out. You guys, I got a lot of plans in store. I need to be able to see, to be here for sure, to create my plans and things, my vision and everything I got. I want to see it come to life. So I'm changing my health and everything. I'm gonna cleanse my body, and I'm gonna take you guys on that journey with me. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to get up like at 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna record. You know, I'm going to be working out. Wait, when I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, I'm going to be meditating. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm going to be meditating, and I'm going to be after I get done meditating, I'm going to work in my manifestation book, and then I'm gonna make my Herbalife milkshake, and then I'm going to be working out on my treadmill that I ordered. Okay, and it's here. So I want to be changing some things up. Best friend need to lose weight. This is the biggest I ever been, and I said I can't just sit in front of the camera and just eat. But today I am, okay? I'm just bringing, talking to y'all about the new project that I'm planning on doing for this channel. Listen, I operate another channel. I do have another channel, and I'm working with someone on that channel to push my videos out. It's fairly new, and it's comedy, so it's like skits. And that channel name is, oh, I'm eating, I ain't even pray. That channel name is Stay So Funny. That's my name. My sisters call me Stay or whatever, so I said Stay So Funny. It's a character on there that's called Sweet Tea, and on every platform. Sweet Tea is on every platform. Sweet Tea is on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. Those are the 5 social media platforms that I have for Sweet Tea, Stay So Funny. You can look it up by typing in Stay So Funny. But I got more skits coming, and this is why I try to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna be getting up at 5 o'clock in the morning, meditating, and writing in my manifestation book. I can't even get it out my mouth. And saying what I want, and then I'm gonna be showing y'all what I'm doing over there. I mean, over here, I'm gonna be doing it over here on this channel, but skits and stuff is over there on that channel. Sometimes I might throw a prank here or there on this channel as well. So anyway, please, God bless over our food as we eat. Can you please let our food be nutritious and healthy to our bodies? We are thankful, grateful for this food you have given us today. In the name of Jesus, we pray. Look how beautiful this look. Like, look, it's sitting up tall for you guys to see. Oh my goodness, I had to buy me one of those tray holders, tables to go in your car. Okay, I was like, what? I had to look it up for myself. I seen people doing it, so I was like, let me give me one of those, you know, when I'm in the car and I want them to see my food. So convenient. So anyhow, these skits is so funny. So it's already a skit out. It's called Sweet Tea, looking for a baller. So it's an interview. You know, go and check it out. I probably have it in the description below, the link, so you can just go ahead and find it. Subscribe, okay, you guys? If you're new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell. If you want to go and subscribe to the other channel, I appreciate it, and make sure you hit that notification bell as well. Share it with your friends. I'm telling you, best friend, not joking around, not kidding. New things 2021. Okay, I'm putting I'm gonna be my own accountability partner. I don't have to push myself, and I need y'all to push me as well too, because you know, I want to show you another side of me. I'm so silly, goofy, or whatever, and I want you guys to be a part of that. So y'all, when I say Sweet Tea is a mother, is a mother. Shut your mouth, y'all. Ooh. Sorry about the noise, y'all. This is a busy street. But however, I'm gonna have a lot of stairs in a minute. What is she doing? So let me get into this, y'all. Oh my god. Y'all, oxtails. Oh. I was looking in there too. You know, they be having the display. I was like, don't give me no small oxtail. Y'all eat oxtails. Y'all don't know what y'all missing. No. So I'm gonna show you the tools that I use to try to keep me in track, because baby, eating too many calories and things like that. But I'm gonna be really pushing it in liquid, so it's not gonna go over. So y'all, make me want to sit up. Sit my chair up right now. That is good. Best friends. Yeah, I'm gonna put it down there in the description, y'all. Y'all gonna like it. Time for new things. I know y'all like, you was missing in action, honey. How we supposed to be believing in you? No. People go through life and stuff happen, y'all. I'm not perfect. Y'all gonna see Miss T, you gonna be like, that ain't best friend, girl. I was looking rough on there, okay? Y'all. That's good, y'all. Y'all, took me a little minute to eat that. Then I got some rib tips right here. Ooh, those boys be tender. Oh, y'all. Let me eat one more of these, honey, because look how big and juicy it is, though. This meat is falling. It's so tender, y'all. Oh, my goodness. Y'all. That's so good, y'all. Yeah, I have a YouTuber that's working on my like pushing my videos and stuff like that out for that other channel. And honey, when I say in 2 days, I got up to like 1,000 views. But you know, people don't, they don't be wanting to subscribe though. They don't, you know. But they watch. You know. That's good, y'all. Look how stable my table is. Stable, y'all. Not finicky or nothing. I wish I could give y'all some of this best friends. So good. So, how that video had got pushed out, my friend was like, he was like, okay, give me a skit right now. And I'm like, a skit right now? Yeah, I'm about to interview you. Not right now. I was like, right now. So we did a skit, and it was funny. But I dressed myself up the next video when we was trying to do the skit. It was really funny how Miss T came apart of the main act, y'all. Miss Sweet Tea. Y'all, could y'all believe they charged me $30 for an oxtail? 6 of them though. They pretty big though. I like soft stuff, y'all. I don't like that hard stuff. But these normally be tender. You can see them looking at me out their mirror. A car in front of me. Everybody at this soul food restaurant. It feels good outside too. I might take the kids to the park or something. No. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I've been buying stuff to improve my camera quality and everything. Everything he told me to get, I got. Because he been dealing with cameras and softwares for a long time, and he just showing me the ropes. Remember, I was keep on complaining about how I'm gonna give me a new software, and I get this new software, and I don't even know how to use the dang old thing. So I reached out to him and told him, like, I'm ready, to do a couple of things. Okay. And he hooked it up, y'all. These must be yesterday ribs. So they're normally tenderer than this. So good, y'all. I like the tender ones. Normally they all tender, but what's going on? I ain't on no side. I can feel my stomach feeling full a tad bit. You know, I'm gonna eat one more of these, and then I'll probably eat one more of that, and then I'm done. Hopefully this is a soft one, y'all. There's an Easter bunny in the middle of the street, y'all. I can't make this up. Detroit. So, I'm learning how to step out the box. Everybody gonna make a judgment about you. Step out the box. It's not your business on how the way they feel about you. That's between them and God. You know? Because you ain't putting the milk and butter and bread on my table. And people gonna rock with you, they're gonna rock with you no matter what. No matter what. So let me, oh y'all, okay. Let me give me a sip first. I love having a chat with y'all like this, but you know, things come up and they get in the way. Normally, I have my sip way before I eat. Oh no, it just worked out like that because I start feeling like really gassy in my stomach. Start feeling bloated. But this is going to be like the last one. And I get to this later. I'm going to get this away. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh. Oh, this is so good. Oh my goodness. Y'all, pay attention. Ooh. So good, y'all. So, y'all, I want to tell y'all so much, but I can't right now. Yeah. Y'all, that is it for me, y'all. I can't. That's good though, y'all. Hold on, give me another bite. That's it. Too good. I was being greedy, getting this on side. I didn't need that for real. I really did, but I got it. because I've had a taste for it, y'all. Had a taste for it. So, let's do a word of the day. Do not let people come in your life and try to mess up your energy, your inner energy. Stay away from them. Did y'all ever notice, like, when somebody make you upset or something like that, or you hear bad news or whatever, they gossiping and stuff like that, it mess up your energy as well? It's not, you be like, what's wrong with me? Those toxic people came into your life, start talking about everybody else, said stories, and now it messed with your energy. Somebody talking negative, keep them straight away from you. Do that for yourself. Your mental health, your physical health, your emotional health is way important than to have a person that's full of drama in your life. Like, they will come and turn your life upside down, man. And that goes for mothers, brothers, sisters, cousins, uncles, nephews, sons, or whatever. Keep your energy. You only got one of you. When you go, they gonna cry for a moment, honey. And they gotta move on, because this is how life works, right? Y'all, protect your energy. Protect your space. I'm saying this because this stuff that I have already experienced, y'all. I have already experienced it, and it's still popping up in my life, like right now today. You know. And I was doing so much. Like, I was doing pretty good. And somebody just decides to pop up. And you don't want to disown that person. But, you know, you don't want to be involved with the negativity either. You know what I'm saying? Your energy is way more important. You are way more important than what this person is trying to give you. Some drama. Talking about everybody. Honey. Talk about you to people. Ooh, hold on, y'all. Oh, hold on. Hold on, y'all. I spilled something now. Alright, I need to get my car cleaned out. Okay, so talk about you to people as well. I'm just putting on my stuff. But however, they always just full of drama. Yeah, it's gonna smell like 10 alcoholics up in here by the end of the day. Okay. But I'm gonna clean it out. Let me get it out. Vacuum clean my car out today. But however, protect your energy. You only have one of you. If you're gone, the same person that was real negative to you or towards somebody else is going to be sitting by your bedside acting like they care about you when you're taking your last breath. Love you first. You are important. You understand that, best friends? You are important. If it's no you, the world still goes around. You know. And I personally experienced this by somebody that's really close to me. It's my mom. Very negative. I don't care. Very negative. And talk about everybody when she get around you. You know, gets mad when you on the phone and you ain't talking to her because you ain't showing her enough attention. You know, very needy. You know what I'm saying? I mean, ain't nothing wrong with like talking to your mom and stuff like that. Because me and my mom, we got a rocky relationship, and she wanted me to come to the house because I haven't seen her in months. She wanted me to come to the house and, you know, pick her up so we can, you know, so she can get out the house. And I was like, okay, get her out the house or whatever. And when we around people, she want to start stuff with me. I don't know why she's like that. She's been like that since I was 16 years old, but that's another day for another time, because it's going to be a short movie follow-up behind this, okay? It's going to tell you about my life. When my channel picks up and stuff like that, I then go and share, you know, in a movie form about who best friend really are, you know. So anyhow, you guys, I love you guys. Just remember, you know, to subscribe, like, share, comment, so that I can get this following up, because if you don't do none of those things, they won't push me out there. So with that being said, I'm gonna be dedicated to you guys. Please be dedicated to me. And if ain't nobody told you, best friends, I love you, and sky's the limits. Bye.